Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use Typeform. So Typeform is basically a web-based platform you can use to create anything from surveys to apps without needing to write a single line of code. So first you want to make an account, but if you already have an account you could skip this part. So just simply click on sign up here on the top right to make your account. So you could either sign up with Google, with Microsoft, or just simply by your email. So for me, I'm going to use this option, just sign up with Google. And once you're done signing up, you will be brought right here. So you will need to agree to the terms of service, privacy policy, and data processing agreement. So you could also turn on these options right here. So, but for me, I'm going to turn this off since I don't want to receive any emails and stuff. So I'm going to click on let me in and it will bring us here. So it will bring us right here where we will be asked. So what's the main thing you'll be using Typeform for? So let's say I'm going to use it for work. Which of these best describes your role? So for me, I'm going to go with just other right here. Then what do you want Typeform to help with? Let's say manage events, projects, or requests, and share your website to brand your forms automatically. So if you don't have a website, you can just simply click on I don't have a website since this is completely optional. So I don't have a website and just wait for it to load. Then next is how do you want to build your form? So you will need to pick any options that you want right here. So there's start from scratch, import questions, and create with AI, or you'd also think to CRM using HubSpot. But let's try create with AI first. So first you could use AI to create questions for any form in business school, boost sales by recommending products with AI generated questions and matching rules, qualify your leads with AI generated questions and scoring rules, and show different results based on answers with AI generated questions and matching rules. So let's say I'm going to go with the product recommendation quiz. So list the products or bundles to be recommended. And as you can see right here on the right side, for best results, you will need to include at least 2 products, a detailed description for each product or bundle, and any additional information like the price or URL. So I just used the example that was stated earlier, which is the hair mask, and I've just added a hair conditioner also, so you could get the best results. Then click on continue, and AI is working its magic. You just simply need to wait. But you could also do this also. So let's say I'm not gonna organize it. So hair mask, then the price is $25. Then conditioner, and the price is $20, just like so. And if I click on continue, the AI will automatically organize it and also add a description for it. So a nourishing hair mask to improve hair health and a conditioner to implement your hair routine. So after that, you just simply click on continue and wait for it. AI is working its magic. And as you can see, it automatically made the questions for you. So you could edit it out if you don't want something there. So let's say you want to remove this item, you could just simply edit it out, or you could just simply leave it like that if everything is good. But once that's done, just simply click on continue and list specific matching rules to include, like as you see, recommend the hair mask if they have dry hair. So this is completely optional, but once you're done, just simply click on generate quiz, and the AI is now creating your quiz. So you just simply need to wait. Now, as you can see, the quiz is now made. So you could go to the sections right here on the left side if you want to edit anything. There's also a description where you could add, but it's just completely optional. And here you could also add some choices if you want. You could edit everything out right here. You could also remove an option if you don't want them right there. Right there. So you could also make a question be required right here just by simply clicking on the button right here. So they will need to answer the question first before moving on to the next one. So I will do that on all of the questions right here, just like that. And if you want to remove a section on your quiz, you just simply need to go to the 3 dots here on the left side, on the right side of the question. So you could just simply delete it if you want, or you could also duplicate it. And there are also options for multiple selection, randomize the other options if their options are not in the, or if the option they want is not on the options available or given, could go with the other option right there. So if I do that, as you can see, another choice is added, which is the other option. You could also select the type that you want right here. So let's say currently it is on multiple choice, but you could also change it to yes or no, to date, to contact info. So if I click on contact info, so change this question, or you set up logic rule for this question. If you change it, you'll break the logic. Are you sure you want to change the question? So I'm gonna go with yes, change it. So as you can see, it now has been changed to the contact info type. So you could just simply remove this if you want to delete that. So let's say I'm gonna put contact info, and after that there are also a ton of options. So we could hide the first name field, or you could hide the last name, the phone number, and you could also make this field required. So let's say the name should be required, so I'm gonna make it required here, like that. And for the phone number, you could change it to any country that you want, but for the default, it's set to the US, and the email and the company. And there's also a mobile view here on the top, which is pretty convenient. So you could check the what it will look like if it's on mobile, or if they're or if the user is answering it on mobile, so you could see it. And if you click on the preview right here, you will see what it will actually look like, just like that. So as you can see, it is required, so I can skip the question. So go to dryness, select dryness, and it automatically just goes to the next question. I'm just going to simply go back. You could also restart if you want. But I'm going to go back. There's also an option to add an image or video if you want. So you will need to drop the image right there, or just by simply clicking the upload button to upload whatever media that you want to upload here on the quiz. And there are also some free images, high resolution images, some videos. So use videos from YouTube or Vimeo, an icon, and my gallery right here. So let's say I want to add an image from the gallery right here, or from the library. Let's say I want to add this, and as you can see, it has now been added right there. You could also edit it if you want by clicking edit, and change the aspect ratio, adjustments, and filters, just like that. And you could also check the workflow right here, so you could change it. So as you can see, you could move it around and edit the logic. You could also add some scoring, some branching. So as you can see, you could also add the scores and the matching rules, and you could also connect it to Google Sheets, Excel, Zapier, or you could also receive the email notifications, send Slack messages, and send email to respondents, and also add webhooks or integrate webhooks to connect with any app to send responses or trigger actions. So as you can see right here on the connect section, there's an option to click on the connect, and it will basically connect any app that you want. So there's a ton of apps that you could pick from right here. There are a ton of supported apps. And once that's all done, you just simply need to click on share. And as you can see, it is now publishing, and it will bring you right here. It will redirect you to this page. So you could either share the link, which is right here on the top. You could also customize it if you want. And you could also have the QR code. You download it and someone can scan it. It will automatically bring them here on the quiz. You could also embed an email, embed in a web page, and get targeted respondents. And if you click on results here at the top, you will see everyone that has or that have answered your quiz, and here are the summary and the responses. And we're gonna go to the view plans right here to check out the available pricing. So we could go with the individuals option. So these are plans for individual. So here are the free and basic plan, which costs 25 USD for the basic plan. And here are the teams plans or pricings. So for the plus, it is 50 USD. For the business, it is 83 USD. For the talent, it's 125. For growth essentials, it's 166. And for growth pro, it is 291. So for enterprise companies, you will need to contact the sales team for that. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you have found this video helpful. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might also find this video helpful. And that is basically it.